looking at your abdominal region, we can actually divide it into different quadrants or 9 different regions, and you do need to know these. The quadrant are pretty easy, and most students do get the quadrants. What students will mix up on the quadrants is their left and right. So if you want to stop the video and copy these down, and then start the video again, I'm just going to kind of quickly go through them. So your quadrants, quad means 4, right? So you can take your belly button and make a foursome out of here. You got your right upper quadrant, and again, it's not yours, it's your patient's right upper quadrant, your patient's left upper quadrant, and your left lower quadrant, and your right lower quadrant. So the left right word goes first, quadrant second, then it's upper lower. Super easy. How do students miss it? They get mixed up. It's not your left right, but your patient's. The regions are a little bit harder for students, and so I'm just going to pick on a few here to kind of get you an idea what's going on. So, of course, the umbilical region, that's pretty obvious there where your umbilical cord and stuff would be. So right there in the center. And so if we go above that, we get epigastric. So you've got top portion of your stomach. I don't know if you can see your stomach in there. So epi on top of gastric region. Down here is hypogastric region, because hypo means lower than, so hypogastric region. And then we know where this bone here you're going to learn is called the ilium. So this is the left iliac region, and this is the right iliac region. You can also use left and right inguinal region if you prefer. So, but iliac, because you're going to learn that is the ilium, where you put your hands on your hip, that coxal area there. So, and then we know in the back area is your lumbar. So as we go up here, you've got the left lumbar region and the right lumbar region. Pretty easy. What students have trouble with is this next one. We got right, left, that's easy enough. It's the term hypo. Hypo means lower, so this confuses students. Why is hypo up here in the top areas in those upper quadrants, if we want to think quadrants, because this means low. So let me go ahead and teach you. So hypo means lower than, that is true. But let me go ahead and teach you chondra. Chondra, this is chondriac, but chondra or chondria means cartilage. So you have your ribs here, or I should say your hyaline cartilage that is there, attaching your ribs there. And so this is the area right below your ribs here and right below your rib cage there. So it's not really your ribs, it's your rib cartilage that's there. So that's why it's hypochondriac, below that cartilage and below that cartilage area. So that's why it's hypochondriac regions left and right. All right, so the next, I've just got some pictures showing you just in case you kind of want an idea of what organs are up in here. You've got your stomach and your spleen over here in that left upper quadrant there. Of course, your intestines are all over the place. Your bladder is down here in your lower quadrant there. So there are some, your liver mostly in the right upper quadrant, but you do get some liver over here as well. So this kind of shows an overview. Here's another one, just in case you feel like you have a pain somewhere. It might give you an idea. If you're having a pain up here, it's probably not your kidneys, etc. And so you can stop and look at that if you'd like. And then this one shows the regions as well. So you can see those regions going on. All right, that is all with your quadrants and your regions. Pretty easy.